Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how we can use GeoGebra for animation. So let's go step by step. Firstly, I have to clean my screen. So use clean screen, white clean screen. So secondly, we need to add background for our screen. So choose from device. I have prepared a background here for a garden, for anything that you like to do, that you like to add. Okay, for the background, you can edit your background. You can make it bigger, smaller, and so on. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, this is our background. So now let's make our slides. Okay, first slides, we'll name it A. So we have the slide here, slide A. So for first image or second image, I will choose image for boy. It's up to you, but just to understand the steps. Okay, we have the boy here. So we have the boy here. We need to do setting for this 2 points C and D. Go to setting, so let's add add the slide A for point C, then enter, then cross. Okay, so the same things we'll do with point D. Setting, okay, add slide A, then enter. Okay, then enter, then cross. Okay, to make sure the boy run. Okay, so everything is okay. So next we need to add another slide. Okay, second slide will be named B, and for second or third image I have chose a dog. So I have a dog here. Add your image. Do the same setting for the points, point E and point F setting, but here I will add slide B, then enter, then cross, and the same things with the setting F. Okay, add B, then enter, then cross. So to make sure the dog run. Okay, the dog actually run. Okay, so we have the dog here and we have the boy here. So let's try our work. Okay, click here and click here. The boy run and the dog run behind of the boy. So it is very interesting work. You can create any story using this animation. So I hope that you get some benefits from this work. Thank you very much, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.